During the holidays, it's not hard to pack on the pounds with all those homemade recipes and never-ending stream of parties. And tonight's Wear the Gown, Eyewitness News reporter Jeremy Baker shows us how to keep down that calorie count with the help of the Texas Diabetes Institute.
During the holidays, it's not like you should avoid anything, really. It's just about the quantity that you're going to be eating.
Dalia Gomez, a registered dietitian who works primarily with the Texas Diabetes Institute, says one of the ways to not blow your diet is to watch your portion size.
Because if you get a big plate and you're just going to serve yourself a little bit, you're already psyching yourself out that you're not going to be full.
Also, avoid the foods you eat all year long and stick to those that are served only during the holidays.
Let's say you really love like your aunt's, like my aunt's broccoli cheese casserole. So I'm going to eat some of that. And then my mom's stuffing, and then the turkey and things like that. But I'm going to avoid, say, the store-bought rolls, or I'm going to avoid foods that we have every day.
Other ways to cut down on the calories: avoid sugary drinks, eat non-fat or low-sodium canned foods, eat your protein and vegetables first and high-calorie foods last, and don't fry a turkey.
You want to avoid frying your turkey because that's just going to add extra fat.
Recently, at the Texas Diabetes Institute's 20th anniversary celebration, they held several cooking demonstrations.
Our last recipe today is going to be the apple yogurt parfait.
This recipe calls for 1 1/3 cups of Greek yogurt, a cup of unsweetened applesauce, half a cup of granola raisins, and fresh raspberries and blueberries to top it off.
The layer is going to be the yogurt, then we're doing about a tablespoon of the applesauce, and then we're going to put the granola on top, and then we're going to garnish the top with the berries.
For more healthy holiday recipes to keep you from blowing that diet, just check out this story on KENS5.com. Jeremy Baker, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.
For more information about family health, call 210-358-3045. You can also find the rest of the Wear the Gown stories. Just head to wearthegown.com.